Hello everybody, how's it going? My name is Mark Raby, providing you with the information and tools you need in order to see your creative projects fulfilled. Today we're going to be talking about Instagram, specifically Instagram stories, and how to drastically improve your Instagram stories game. If you're a content creator, you know how hard it is to break through the noise of other content that people are pushing out. You know, how can you stand out in a world where there's so much noise? How can you stand out from the crowd and draw attention to what you are creating and what you believe in, what project you're pushing for? Now, if you're familiar with programs like Illustrator and Photoshop, yes, you can design things from scratch. But if you're like me and a lot of other content creators, time is golden. Time is very, very precious. So here are ways for you to quickly and drastically improve your Instagram story game. The first thing that you can do to drastically improve your Instagram story game is to check out this video, which I'll link right here. In this video, I talk about how to change the background to one color, create moving backgrounds, and more tips and tricks along that line. So go ahead and check it out. The second thing that you can do is use different apps that have templates already built in them. Here's a list of apps that I use to help me make better Instagram stories. These are 5 apps that I would absolutely have in my arsenal. Now, I'm not going to talk about all of them, but if you want a clean, minimalistic look, I would definitely check out Unfold. This is a very clean, very simple app to use if you want that kind of look. My current go-to among these 5 apps is actually CANVA, and CANVA has designs for Instagram stories, Instagram posts, YouTube thumbnails, and it has become my hub for designing. With their easy to use templates, you can create Instagram stories very quickly that can include motion graphics and different elements that will stand out from the common everyday Instagram story. I probably should note here that I do use Canva Pro because I think that it is well worth the money. If you'd like to check it out for yourself, I'll link it down below. The third thing that you can do to improve your Instagram stories aesthetic as well as get quicker at it is use the tools that Instagram has given you. That might sound profound, but you might be surprised at how often I see the same type of content posted over and over again. One screenshot wallpaper for the viewers, wow. A photo of the sunset, wow. It's the same type of content. And I'm not saying that those things are bad, but when they're similar with everybody else's, it doesn't really stand out. Instagram, you know, is meant to share memories. It's meant to start a conversation. It is used to ask an opinion about something, to gather questions. So use what Instagram has given you. Use the GIFs, use the poll button, use the questions, use the quiz button. Get involved with your community. Here's just one way to use one of the tools that Instagram has given us. The poll button, you know, you can ask questions that are easy to answer. You can, it's a this or that kind of object. It's a this or that kind of tool. And you can ask questions like, oh, which one do you like better, pizza or lasagna? And kind of get the community involved. That's kind of a silly illustration, but you can ask questions like that. You can also ask questions like, did you know about this random fact that pineapple is a natural meat tenderizer? Did you know that the M's in M&M's stand for Mars and Murray? Did you know that your nostrils only work one at a time? Comment down below. Let me know if you actually knew that your nostrils only work one at a time. You can also use the questions button. You can ask your viewers, like, what are your thoughts on Instagram's new layout? You can ask your viewers, like, tell me a random fact about yourself, something like that. Basically, what I'm trying to say for the third point is that just use what you've been given. Use what Instagram has given you. If you can't get the apps, the 5 apps that I mentioned about, you can still use what is already built into Instagram. So those are a few tips and tricks that will improve your Instagram stories as well as speed up the production of making Instagram stories. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please go ahead and leave a like. It lets me know that you guys enjoy this kind of content and that I should make more videos like this. If you got value out of this video, go ahead and subscribe for more videos like this. Comment down below and let me know what was a tip that you got that you're going to try to use next time for your Instagram stories. But until next time, I hope you guys stay safe and God bless.